Here I have UMIDIGI A3, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open a screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be our settings list. And then what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume down for about a second, like this. And that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time, power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by just holding power key, and after this menu appears you have the button screenshot here. So you can find your screenshots in gallery. In the screenshot section here they are our screenshots, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.